Okay, another one box break here. Today it's just going to be 2021 baseball heritage hanger box. Um, every once in a while they do have a relic or a autograph in there. Here we go. Let's see what we got. Come on, baby. Oops. That baby up. 1972 design, old school. Cubs, Wilson. Yasmani Grandal, White Sox. Hold on. Dodgers, Altuve, Astros. Tigers, A's. Twins, Kepler. Alcantara, Marlins. Rangers, Reds. Kershaw, Dodgers. Angels, Cubs. Giants, A's. Rangers, Royals. A's again. Giants, Willie McCovey. Rays, Rays again. Cubs, Rizzo. Urias, Dodgers. Orioles. Ooh, boyhood photos. Cubs. Starling Marte, Marlins. Cubs again. Pujols, Angels. Jose Ramirez, Guardians. Indians in the picture. Nationals, Grisham and the Padres. Tigers, Miggy. Rays again. Longoria, Giants. Dodgers, Bellinger. There you go.